Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video and we're going to be making slime today. So my mom just said, how come you ain't YouTubing this? So I just thought of that because I totally forgot about y'all. So all I did is just add 4 glue of bottle and some shaving cream.
Show them what kind of bottle, what kind of glue you use.
I did this shaving cream. It's called Shaving Cream Ride something. And it's from...
You got it at Dollar General.
I got it at Dollar General. And then I used regular school glue. I used 4 of these. And I was just about mixing it. So I'm going to add a little bit more shaving cream because this is not fluffy enough. Going to make a tower. Alright, hang on. Get this off. Alright, I still have like half of the bottle left. Dang, that's a lot. Alright, let's mix this. Let's mix in it. It looks really good. It seriously looks like pudding right now, like white pudding. Like, seriously. Hang on, come here. Seriously. Alright, hang on. Let's keep on mixing. Alright. So I think this is good enough. It's really big. Alright, now let's start adding the solution. The activator. Solution, what do you want to call it? It's right there. Alright, let's pour it in. It's going to need a lot of saline solution.
Will you show them what kind you got?
Okay, I got the Reacts or something saline solution. I got it from Dollar General too. And let's start mixing.
Tell them how much you spent. Do you remember how much you spent?
I spent, I don't know how much I spent.
Was it $9?
No, it was more than that. Way more than that.
It was not? You spent more than $9?
I think it was like, wait, hang on.
But this is a whole lot of slime that you're making, right?
Yeah, this is a whole lot of slime I'm making. It's really, really big. I mean, it's 4 bottles of glue. Like, just gotta keep on mixing.
That is going to come off of my spoon, right?
Yes.
Just checking, Kara.
Alright. Mom, do you want to be the cameraman?
No, I'm good.
And just like show them? Alright, hang on. It's getting together and it's really fluffy. We're gonna have to start kneading it in a second. Getting all this. See, look at it. It's really big. Did you see that, guys? Try to get it off the wall here. See, Mom, it like cleans the bowl. Alright, I'm gonna have to start kneading it. Scoot that back. And yes, Mom, it does come off. Alright, let's start kneading it. This is really big. Come off here. Alright, let's start kneading it. Okay, I'm gonna have to start kneading it, like a lot. Because it's really sticky, as you can tell. So, you know what, I think we're gonna add some more shaving cream because this is really sticky. And I don't think fluffy enough. So, here we go. Here's that. Let's just start mixing. And you're probably thinking this is not going to be good slime. It actually will turn out to be good slime. Like my other one over there, my friend said it's not going to be turned out to be good slime because I think they add too much solution. But you know, it came out really good because I added a lot of shaving cream. so fluffy now. Get that shaving cream, Let's just get this shaving cream off me now. You know, look how giant it is. I think this turned out to be a success. Ooh, I love it. Are you ready? Ah. Alright, so then I'm gonna add a little bit, because like, see that jiggle?
Don't you want it to jiggle?
Yeah, you want it to jiggle. Then it's like, see, it's like not a real big jiggle. You need like a real big jiggle, like my other one over there. Real fluffy. Alright, do that. Now, I'm not an expert of making slime, okay guys? So, but this slime will turn out. You just have to keep on. It's actually not sticky. This is just like shaving cream put in, and yes, you can do it in your kitchen. It will come off. Everything that you use. Get this off. Get this shaving cream off. Oh, get that off. Oh, this is actually really fluffy.
When you get done, sweetheart, I want you to look at some of these dresses.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to get this up. Because, like, you know, you can't leave anything. Look at that. It's, like, so jiggly. Alright, hang on. Alright, we're going to keep that there. Alright. Oh! Did you see that? Did you see how big that was? Okay, look, you gotta watch my video to see that. Whoa, that was humongous. What? Whoa, that was humongous. Can't get anywhere either. Alright, you know what? We're gonna add the glitter now. I'm gonna add both of these.
Put that in.
Okay, I'll put this in the bowl.
I don't want that glitter all over my floor.
Alright, we're gonna put this in the bowl. Put this in the bowl. Oh, dang it, I forgot the spinners right there. Got the spinners right here. Okay, I'm gonna get this out. So, hang on. Hey, Mom, look.
Matthew!
Alright, so we're gonna add the glitter.
Do you want to add food coloring to it?
No, you should. If I added food coloring, you would have to do it whenever I was mixing the shaving cream and the glue together.
Oh, okay. So you have to do that first.
Yeah.
It's a lot of purple glitter you're putting in there.
Yeah, I had to use a whole bottle of pink to just make it a light pink. All right, there's that.
So we don't need any of that glitter?
What?
We're not going to need any of that glitter?
Nope.
You hope?
Nope, I hope. I'll just make my other song. Oh, this is really pretty. Look.
Yeah, that is. That's really, really pretty.
It's really pretty. It will turn out like that. Alright. I think this is all of it. Ooh. Hang on. Come here. Are you ready? Just moving it around. Alright. Alright, let's vote it now. Just keep on voting.
So why wouldn't you have done the glitter while you were mixing everything together earlier too? Does it matter?
It don't really matter, but I prefer doing it this way because it's much more cooler to see and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so all the glitter's in the middle right now, so I'm going to get it out here now. Alright, it's turning purple, sort of. And I don't think the slime likes me putting glitter in it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Dang it, that wasn't that big. Alright, hand. This was trying to show my friend yesterday. Watch. If you do this and put it together and make a little ball going down like this, hang on. Like this. Watch, hang on. I didn't really do it, but hang on. Hang on, I'll show you right now. So this is my other slime that I made yesterday because it was my birthday party and my friend got me some like glue and stuff and we made it. This is actually really good glue. I mean slime. This is actually really good slime. Whatever. Hand look at the color of it. Alright, so watch, hand. Get this. This is not a very good stretchy slime. Well, it kind of is, but it's not that good of like stretching and making swirls and stuff. But if you do this, hand, back up. Do this, put them together, and just start making a ball, and leave all the bubbles for last. Hang on. Like that, and squeeze it. It feels so satisfying, and the bubbles.
It kind of sounds like the bubble paper pop things.
But fill this slime to this slime. Fill it, do that. Fill it, like feel the difference. Alright, see that one's hard? You like it?
That just feels gross.
No, it don't.
Yes, it does. It feels so gross.
No, it don't.
That one feels better. I don't like that one.
You don't like this one?
It don't feel right.
Yes, I love this.
It's too sticky.
Well, like you just gotta play with it, sort of. See, this one was really sticky. I can just hold it in my hands now, and it won't really stick.
Matt, you need some barbecue in here if you want it for lunch.
So I'm playing with this. So this slime was a success. I think it was. Comment down below if you think this slime was a success. Matthew, you have to watch my video of how I made this slime because it was really good.
Wow.
See how big it is? Could add some of this more because there's a little bit more. Can't leave any out.
I'm so
Alright.
tired.
Ooh. Ooh. This is so fluffy. And as you can see, it's not sticky. Like, watch, hand. I can put this in my
Let me
hand.
touch it.
Wait,
It looks like it
hand.
just looks like shaving cream. That's all it looks like.
It doesn't look like shaving cream. It's purple, Matthew.
Purple? Are you blind? It's white.
He thinks this is white, Matthew.
Oh, okay, come on.
This is purple.
That's way too much shaving cream.
No, it's not. Alright. Now watch, this is, yeah, I think there's some stuff in my hair. Alright, watch, this is the fun part, alright? Hang on. It's gonna get sticky for a little bit because just added it.
What do you have?
What does he
And
have?
an ice cube.
Watch,
Take it to
okay.
Matthew.
Are you ready?
Take it to Matthew.
It's gonna get a little bit messy.
Get it.
Now it just looks like
Take it to Matthew.
a
Take it
ball
to
of,
Matthew. He's trying to give you a cookie. Take it to Matthew. He's trying to give you a cookie.
this looks like a ball
Take it to
of,
Matthew.
like, they don't look good no more, but watch, just wait. I was watching Addie how she made hers. Like, look at that. I was watching how she made hers, and it just takes time, watch.
Do we even have cookies?
Yes. See, it's getting there.
Here you go, puppy.
Alright, let's get this all up.
Mom, can I have one of these? Can I have one of these?
Here you go.
I don't want to start.
Huh?
I said I'd rather stars.
There's barbecue pork.
I don't like barbecue pork.
Ew, this is glue in my hair.
Oh.
Matthew, it wasn't ready to do that. Oh my gosh, you can't just stop.
Just get off me.
No, you're not going to do that.
You gotta get it off me.
I will get it off you. If you didn't do that,
That's funny.
you get a piece of this. Stop.
This is the worst slime ever.
No, it's actually not. It wasn't done yet. It still has shaving cream in it. Hey. Stop. Give me it. You're not wiping it off. Stop, Matthew.
Okay. Ah! You bite me.
I bit him. Stop.
That sucks.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Get,
Stop.
Let me have it.
No.
Get it off me. You gotta get it in between my fingers.
I know. You think I was done? Stop.
I'm gonna eat it.
Stop. Now go away. Get away. If you don't stop, it's actually really good if you stop.
What?
Get away. No, go away now. Stop. Yeah. Stop, Matthew. You're getting it everywhere. Yeah, you're not getting your green slime now.
I don't even want it in there.
Yeah, so you're not getting it.
I like playing with it.
Stop. Your green slime costs $12 now, so.
I'm the one.
Yeah, you ain't getting it now.
Invite me. I dare you.
Get away from my slime.
What the heck was that?
From business credit damage to expert actions to
Ooh.
everything that
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
go to the UPS store.
Stop. Give me my shaving cream.
We don't even use shaving cream. Why do you have it?
It's for this. Did you see what he was doing? Mom? He was making me mad. And he was sticking his arm in this when it wasn't even ready. See, you got to play with it.
Bad. Oh, that looks nasty.
Barbecue pork.
That.
Pulled pork.
That's
And pulled pork.
This is actually a really good slime.
That was going great.
I'm watching him. So now he's going to do something. Oh, that was really cool. See, this slime isn't really sticky. Like, watch. Look, you just have to play with it in your hand. Like,
You like
it is really, really stretchy. Yeah, I'm trying to make it a swirl. Yeah, I don't know how to make a swirl, but this slime would be really good with a swirl. Because, like, it's really, really stretchy.
Here, you can have this. I'm gonna pour this into yours.
Alright, so, yeah.
Go for it.
So,
Sit down.
this is actually a really good slime, so,
Pizza.
like this video.
Like this video.
Like this
No
video.
one even watches their videos anymore.
Yes, I do. So I don't have likes and comments. They don't know what it's about. See, look, I can do this now. Alright, so this slime is amazing. Alright, so I don't know why you can't see my eyes. Let's get all this. Mom, is this your like favorite show now? I couldn't do it because, hang on, I couldn't do it because the shaving cream was right there and it's about to fall. So, get this. Ready? Hand. Watch this. Hand. Alright, ready? Watch this hand. Alright, are you ready? Watch. This is like perfect slime. Like, it's not even that sticky. Like, it might be a little sticky because, like, I don't know why. Oh, yeah. Ready? Aw. I get to do that. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys go. Please subscribe to my channel and turn post notifications on. Like this video if you're watching and comment down below. So, comment down below if you want me to do more slime videos. If you didn't like it and you need like a better angle, then like tell me, like, cause I know you couldn't like see how I was mixing it and stuff. So I will get I'm getting a tripod soon. So I will like show you the angles and stuff where it actually be a good video. So I will. That popping sound though. So comment down below if you didn't like the video and why you didn't like it. So please don't give me no hate though. If like, they'll be like, you don't know how to do that. You don't know how to play with stuff. I actually did know how to play with slime. I asked my friends. So like my video, turn post notifications on, and